Year 2. I hope you had a lovely weekend and I hope you're ready for another quiz. Let's make a start. First question. If 152 is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 2, then 135 is equal to what? So we need to think about our place value and we need to partition our number. Okay, so we're partitioning 135. Off you go. Are we ready? And if you're not ready, don't worry, just pause your video. So 135, we need to partition 135. My answer is going to be 100 plus 30 plus 5. So my answer is 100 plus 30 plus 5. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. What are the next three numbers? So what are the next three numbers in this sequence? So remember, what you need to do first is look at the first numbers and you need to calculate the difference. So calculate the difference between the numbers and then using that to help you calculate the next three numbers. Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, let's have a look. So from 13 to 16, what is the difference between 13 to 16? How much have I jumped up by from between 13 to 16? The answer is 3, because if the difference between 16 and 13 is 3. And if you notice again, 16 plus 3 is 19, okay? So what I now need to do is add on 3 onto 19. So 19 plus 3 is, good, 22. And 22 plus 3 is, good, 25. And 25 plus 3 is, good, 28. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Make the lowest two-digit number you can with the cards. You can only use each digit once. I'm not going to explain this. Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so you had to make the lowest two-digit number using this card. Okay, so the answer is going to be 23. That is the lowest two-digit number I can make using these 4 number cards. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. 23 people are watching a film. 12 people leave before the end. How many people watch the film until the end? Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, let's have a look. So 23 people are watching a film. 12 people then decide to leave before the film ends. So how many people are left watching the film until the end? So I know that to work out the answer to this question, I need to use subtraction. So I need to take away 12 from 23. And I'm going to use column subtraction to help me calculate the answer. So 23 minus 12. Okay? 3 minus 2 is, good, 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Excellent. So the answer is 11. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Continue the pattern. So we're looking at another sequence. We need to look at the shapes carefully and then think about what the next 3 shapes are going to be. Off you go. Are you ready? Okay, let's have a look. So we have square, triangle, triangle, square, triangle, so that's another triangle, square, and another triangle. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Circle the tens in these numbers. So circle the tens in these numbers, and what you guys can do is just write out the number and then circle the number that's in the tens column. Okay? Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so in 158, 5 is in the tens column. In 74, 7 is in the tens column. And in 182, 8 is in the tens column. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Insert a number to make these calculations correct. So look at the signs carefully and think about what number can go in these squares. Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, let's have a look. So let's have a look at the symbol carefully. I know that the number on this side has to be larger than the number on this side. So for your answer, as long as your answer is 78 or more, so 78 or more, and your answer is correct. So well done. And for the next question, if I look at my symbol again, so 46 in this case is the larger number. So that means the number on this side has to be less than 46. So as long as your answer is 45 or less, then that means you're correct. So well done if you got that question correct as well. is the total? Off you go. Are we ready? Again, don't worry if you're not ready, just pause the video so you've got a chance to work it out. So I'm going to start by adding these 3 coins. I'm going to start by adding the 20p, the 20p and the 50p. So I'm going to add the 20p, the 20p and the 50p. So I'm going to add these coins together first. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 5 is, good, 9. So I've got 90p so far. Add on the 5p here. So 90p plus 5p is equal to 95p. And now I have the £1. So if I take my £1, take my 95p, that's going to give me £1.95. Well done if you got that question correct. Okay, now I want you to have a go at these questions without my help. Look at the questions really, really carefully and don't forget to post any home learning on our Year 2 Twitter page. Thank you very much for listening, guys. Bye-bye.